Hey guys, please join me. Join me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are doing well. Okay. Enwere him chọrọ ka unu gee ihe. Achọrọ m inweta ebe ahụ. Think on this video. Hold on.
I salute you. Welcome.
Which is none of this video.
Good evening.
Okay. Because I was going through Udela's videos yesterday. Mbakam Matana, Jpac has been working with Udela for a long time. I even wanted to make a video before you know about the video. But before I go there, can I listen to Udela? Enwere ebo mention in Jpac. I go good into. What they call this particular video? If I'm not mistaken. Hold on.
My people. Please, if you have not seen Parana's video, about their Epidima Ebukobi, if you've not seen it, go and watch it. If you have not seen Parana's video on Utogo Ebukobi, please do yourself a pleasant favor and go watch it. Azwamu, accusations, Ocho, Anumpama. Now tomorrow morning I go get your Ebukobi time and I just want you to catch cruise. I just want you to catch a small cruise. As for your Ebukobi, now tomorrow you go collect them. Before I came and said I don't want it. Now tomorrow you go collect your own. But your own. Now only when Ndi Igbo they get power. Now my question. Why you be saying that only when Ndi Igbo expose on atrocity? On they get power to talk. Or your parana don't expose on Ndushi. On a fellow pastor now on a carry. Saying a native doctor. Those of you that have seen following that cable, I told you. Very useless set of people. But no. I'm not here because I tell you Ebukobi say tomorrow now I go disgrace her with his father. He will tell us why they stopped selling meat at Uburi Ejofo for a certain period and the role his father played. So this one Jet Li and Jackie Chan power.
Please share this program. Actually, I mean, Jpac download some of his videos because actually I put full time. Jpac record. See, let me tell you, I have said this time without number. Even now that he's switching, try to side these people. Jpac is the worst person you ever have anything to do with. I'm a queer with my full chest. Do you know why he came out to make that video? Because I made the video yesterday. Now he wants to come and counter the video that I made. Jpac, he went the brain. Anybody that hold you, a conversation, that's your brain in organ form. That's your afro brain, You came out to apologize for who? The same person name with idea how to kweme udela nime nga akwana gwa mbamba. This Jpac, the same person name with the idea how to kweme believe Jpac on your own peril. So you wouldn't take advice again the way you are giving advice by no udela kari kweme now. You that came out to try to pretend to apologize to Guinea to Ahapuonye because let's eventually now, the members will be gullibly believing that you are pleading for them. How many honugi puni ho bigi negotiate the friends? Ana me kuyona kama. Ka people mara onyi wo tam choro ku de long. Gamna na mu ishi ku de long. Otam choro ku de la kwa gamna na me wish you. I cannot speak another language inside and come out to speak another language outside. There is somebody like Jpac. So go and make friends with somebody like Jpac. Enye go yenye ginshiga anwo. Enye go yenye ginshi you kwem ye kwem ego zubo. Let's continue to listen to these videos because our people now put yep have any pretend guys click love and share him and my page. You know they like to and I'm dizzy happy after the video despite the shadow bandits. The people will still watch the video. So he gave me just share the video, recommend the video. You what I go? Let's listen. Can you get an answer?
I wonder why now. Only we are Ndi Igbo day. Or they get the power. Okay? I don't say make I drop this one this night for you. Also, tell you because beside day Lagos, make you choose where I go meet her. Zone 2, Panti. If na zone 2, if na Panti. If na DSS Shangisha. If na no, I never meet Henry. I call him back, you know, answer. Maybe he's still busy. Whether na zone 2, Shangisha.
Because I told like in Zion. Imana this year Jpac. This mugu. Gragim yana Hana keza haya hana keza haya Zeus gra Lagos. Ya hapu Zeus ha zono Ghana hotel akono Ghana chi hu ako ebushiti ya. Ogba hu kwa Zeus ha o na obira be hu ako. Zuru supata bere hu ako. Akweshia hell no. Onya this guy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You see, I am the like and man don't him geji biogologondo. I always dictate the trouble. Didn't dictate ya watch up my body domo. Onya. This guy. Ah. Eh me wakula num Jpac here. Iman, I just now bank because I'm happy. Jpac brought out to my daddy. Oh Jpac de mecha gba mo nyere ya. A bit of them saga mona ya. I just now they go busy because of many things. When I create my office, oh Jpac. Oga abjagba monye nyere photo my dead father COVID diburu obrula post on social media before ya ga viral. He will come and tell me. Ochana mune yon na ko okoko. Yon na ko woku. Oga abjagba monye nyere ya. Picture my father on COVID. I banka all of them will take that picture. He will tell me. Iman awumbo oburu ko Japon. Awumbo oburu ko Japon. Chief pilot, my love. Chief pilot, my love. Alisa Borobisha should insider monitoring me. Because come and monitor me. Chief pilot, come and monitor. Oh yeah, Alisa Borobisha. Because come and monitor me. Biabuemu, anam nebubem. I try to ibuzem deeply according to Alice. Ibum deeply, because Chief pilot, because biabuzem deep. Patram ke deep. He penetrated another deep. That is the end of Solomon Grande. Because the deep refused to die. Even the deeper end, he refused to come. Chief pilot, come and finish the ones they could not finish because they are weak. You can see that they are weak and they could not weaken the weak. Anyway, come continue because share this program, click love, tag it, make it go viral. Jpac, he got Jack Bamu, onye nyere give my dying father COVID diburu at his dying state. He got a bit of baby. Actually, I'm setting my multi-million-dollar business. When I'm done, Ga office m. Aga me section okay. Agama would the only CEO that makes millions and dollars in Abasaga. Asham get party at Cheremu. Oh, une chefu. Mbunu me une chefu. Well, get you best. I should not get in a natural. Do you think I have forgotten? You must be kidding, oh. A screenshot of that post he made eternity today. Maybe, Ijele, do you think when I get that time? Do you think that picture of Pam that time when I get that picture? Onye muna ene kuoku. Mecha ihe, ama doga ge do that one ya hechigeloga. Ame wuro shishoro ipu ya. Next time, dabana na ihe anaghị eji egwu egwu n'ala Igbo won na ebe amụrụ nwa. You get my father, you don't know my father. Your father can never be PhD. How many PhD my dad doing in this country? How many? I never start to. I can get the to story muna game. People I got one more picture. People chana mama ebo shiputa. You are the first person that brought it up before Ken captured it before Chief Pilot and every other person. You did. When I get a quick watch on that, Tom, man, I hold the picture when I'm talking to you. That's what I see. That's what I see. Imanu me une chefuo. Unu me une chefuo. Mbo keche potasiri. I should get you. Ega wa me here my dad did suffer COVID. For months no lopo. Get puputea. Gajia mi ha kaja. Ana koyeri. Ana koyeri. Ana koyeri. Let me finish getting. Good morning, beautiful people. Hey, Sally, you're welcome. Don't worry. Come on, you try here. Imanashi, onyu lo ya na walk. Ana ha chu okay. Akam jigodi my business. Come me try him. I will sanction it to makana no mo na pege ya. Mo na kika do bi eriri na this blew up.
Even Prince Livingston, this period away here na Oluwaseun na incoming na. Henry, hi. No Oluwaseun na just they text me now. Hey. Please, sorry, make I respond to that.
Because nda niile no na that we are championing Udela. Where are you guys? All this is men not organize this video now. Back at this men, you know. Men day. Where are they? Men day. Where are the men? I don't say we had the dog. We don't waste ourselves. Actually, themselves. Men day. Where are the men? Day. Where them day? I come Naju. Men day. Now with the wrong things. No. I'm gonna call on 50 million.
You see,
I'm gonna call on his bear. Well not day.
You go live long. You just talk about. You can't text me. Like I said. You say, Ijele, na Abuja son. Okay, now I don't say Abuja son, they hot. Go Kaduna. You go Kasina. Go Meduguri, Sokoto. You go see say na winter, you dey enjoy for Abuja. Go see say Abuja weather na winter.
Share this video, click love. Share this video because you got sustain in here. Now share me, because no. Oh no, now share. All you get sustain here.
Laptop. Why I don't give my sister? I don't give my sister the laptop.
You got sustain in here. We'll share na love. Share na love.
Accusations. Anuman, I tell you, I say na local champion all of Onabi.
Okay.
If to say na somebody from Southeast, I beg if you never watch Farara video,
okay.
Go watch am. Now tomorrow morning I go come analyze my own.
Okay.
Watch am, see the arrange.
Okay. Now who is the arrange master? Nimenga. Ibolo Obara. It's like Ijele dialysis to keep 2 days, like twice. Who is the master of arranging? Mazi igwara no ga nwu ime nga no nga for ha because can somebody write na previous one call na no na this recent one. Kegi you only spend few months arrange carry negi carry nage arrange negi nage that brought a course to Ndi Igbo. Nage lecha ho ga mu ya mu a course. Any three wa am page chabie ya ji amere ha keza ha hot dog. Amu nagi kwachiri we hot dog u ma ke ja baba. Ndala ana koyeri Igbo ga mu ge lecha ya mututa ihe na ihe guru many Igbo boys ana koyeri. Guys, click love and like, share this video. Okay, guys, to stand here because these people are at home. Click love and like, recommend this video. Facebook, we are wishing happy birthday to our brother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. At least because edit let me here. I say happy birthday because add happy birthday there. Happy birthday. Nandare jaya. Janya, okay. Maybe they play the video.
Confused.
I thought they back home and show no Jpac before my dad divert out to Jpac.
No favor. You turn them to church. Turn them to church. Come they deceive on.
Shia because Shia got so here because now what? See
Every format. If you am away.
Una just learn watch because Shia because. On him need to share because all share got suppressed all these their reports. Facebook disregard any reports. We are not doing anything. We are just and what they call it analyzing this video in a positive way. Please disregard any reports on this video. Please, very important. I don't know why every time I'm on live video they keep reporting it for no just cause. They are just jealous because I'm on 1.3 million. They see say I know they get a reaction. I know they get video. They're still jealous of the thing whether they get reaction, whether they get. The same thing, whether they get reaction, whether they're still on their eyes are still here. Happen no more come now with no reaction. The same bow. Please, we're here share my WhatsApp me everywhere. Why you guys subdue these people? Actually, me shimono. Mbanona. Lie.
Every format, fear, and a two legs on they take enter. Banza.
Happy birthday to you.
Shebi I tell on and say.
Happy birthday to you.
They look for now go see her.
We don't see him, Kwano.
I don't tell on her.
Share. Happy birthday.
They look for on a must see her. Thank you, my people. I say on a go see her. You don't happen now. You know they happen. Is Farana attacking his brother now?
Follow the page, click like and love. Follow the page, love, click, share.
Your brother, he hates Ndi. Oh yeah, go try the thing with banana. Make thunder fire on our family. Useless people. Go there, make thunder fire on our full family. Oh, they hire lawyers to silence on Aya. Make the lawyers they come now. Make the lawyers they come.
Share.
Not me there, so. Make the Amumu lawyers they come now.
Okay.
Fear them. Being afraid they fear them. My people now, my market, I enter. Make I go. Sorry. I go see some of our guys where they there.
Okay. Now, Udela, where are some of these guys? Ije where are the guys? Where are the so-called men there? Where are they? Can be this man, Does it mean that men cigar like Bobble face Jpac? Oh, they can give me a problem. Get you Jpac no now. Jpac be man. They depend on Jpac. You don't they see him now? Bobble face. Who no get a man where Facebook could they feed? And anything to write home about, because somebody got me where men day. And I'm joking, where not the men day? Money na water. Men day. I want to see those men that you're claiming. Oh, we are going to see my men. I will try to take you over. You see? Oh, you men down in on a blue up, all this chaff. All this chaff something. Then you listen to them, you think. And when you hear my name, I'm a boon. Until you guys start realizing that all these people are chaff. 100 million go put out without no shaking. God, the men could not provide for. Yeah, I'm not saying about 50 million. I said 100 million. And when I am doing acres of land, past few months away, egole. Oh, one day, has a man day. When I am not Ishi, because these people are wearing a honey. If that men in Purpuramo. It can shit. It can shit. When they got nothing. None of them out. None of them can come up to save their Lord. Honey, them get what put down with a twinkle of an eye. That men couldn't come up with. Hamega, what they call it? This what are they doing? This their fundraising. This their what they even call it? This their GoFundMe 700,000 till dates. 700,000. All these are the men. These are the men. Apakem jiterem na doya. Na doya mashma dobie ya henya ba for ya figa nde banuru. Look at them.
You recognize where they come tell me. I want just call them when they come outside.
Yeah, okay. Men day. Where are the men?
If I enter that mommy, believe me, all the money I did for this Lagos go finish. Of course, I should encourage them, but now who give the give? Who get the give? Now management, I dey manage myself. Okay. Now management, I dey manage myself.
Okay.
Ijele, no customer services for where I see customer service. Who give me?
Okay.
Who give me? Nobody.
Ojuku Ejaba.
Only customers. That's not here. Only
you know, I get you some man. From one up here, I get you some mother. Okay. Okay.
Wow, this negotiation I go kill us.
Okay.
And I go finish us for this Lagos.
A shower. One I got fella. Obu adorole. Biano biana yobo. Biano biana yobo. Ako to that gafere. This negotiation they go kill us. Ako biaf are and then when na gana. When up who Guyana. Oh, I get Jiri Chan, no one shall work in the Ejiri Nadu one neighbor Nahush Nish Nanushi Shop. Then other fella game on go kill us all these legations. You should get Biamu Yani shop on your amu payage. Bia perceive your I who yamia. Like that Jpac a job mena a job and go along with ya segamu. And we call pa uja pachapando overload too. And we call pa. How about you on a jiggy? Now long and it's now lie yo. Any 1 minute to step proper and hold Japa with excess luggage. Excess bundaza. Biash biamu. Biama mega who is shop also. Come on, biama. You can get dialysis. So you dialysis. I'm with Japan. But when they go dialysis, someone they pay. I'm one time. Any no ga who organ said papa. Bande can Ijele yo. If my hair like this, I'm jogging. I'm gonna get Korobio. Happy marker. I'm gonna get Korobio. Yeah. Bian lay negotiations so to those who won't win. Let me watch them. E.T. The go to Reba. A shower.
But you know me now, I'm a very calm and quiet person. I know they do that kind of thing. I Ijele family for Lagos. Because also accusations, I tell you, I want me to block this page.
Oh, okay.
Block this one, block this block the other one. Police go about.
Idiot na-ekwu ọkpụ nnu unu ejebe ebe ahụ jeme ya attack oge chikwu ọkpụ nne nnu nna agba amaghị ya anụ ọhịa ji ekwu ọkpụ nne nnu ajakashi ikpu nne nnu oge eche na kwuo ya m na-abịa ọkụ but okay are you hearing difference from ọnụ ya na ọnụ m so ọ dị oke sound ọnụ ya ọ dị oke sound ikpu gbowakwa nne nnu otu ikpu nne nnu so ịdị anụ ọhịa ga-emepe ọnụ kwuo ọkpụ nne ha oge eche ka nọtọkọ ọkpụ nne nnu. But on the level, I get you grab the get you grab the Chineka. I should soon up. Maybe they listen.
Police go back, I don't know what to do stuff for. Akusayo, I thank you for a purpose.
Okay.
Like, I want to make you tell these people so you don't get what you feel to, as far as I'm concerned.
Okay.
Okay? And don't use my mouth, talk. You go block people.
Okay.
So I want to tag you on this one again.
So ị ga-apụta kpọkpọ ikpu nne akụ aga m akpọkpọ ikpu nne unu niile nọ nga na-asụpọtụ ya ị ga-apụta kpọọ ikpu nne akụ aga m apụta kpọọ ikpu nne unu niile skata ikpu nne unu niile guys click love and share because ha biala report Facebook disregard any report who be man shut up Ogechi, remember who be man onye woman you see the reason why Iwaji were moon. Okay, tell me the qualification of okay what makes you a man but list go him again okay come list your 1 million things disqualified I get to answer a man. Did I hear okay? List ye who made again okay come back 1 million and billion 10 disqualified again. Who is that thing? Onye did that thing. Onye did that thing. Can we share your own happy birthday now? Onye did it. When him again okay? Melis yeregi. Jpac unu ni namu. I will list it now. The reason why I push him. Unu push him again on my life. The yani ama jogi. No, we are. I'm not blocking. I didn't happen. Only the warriors of you are not. So they block them. Kapoha. Oshigini. Okay. Can I continue? You won't answer to it. So don't comment it again.
I know done. My brother see clean eye now. See as I did as my eye goes open. I did sober. I sober as a pussy. I sober as a pussy. I don't do sober. I recognize my page. Okay, funny moments of Matthias says that. No, they do. Matthias, I don't say you go down finish here because this evening.
Click love and share.
No left for Southeast when they get power. We got champions. No left for Southeast when they see power. Nah, Parana don't do you. Go arrest Parana now.
Don't worry, Parana own is coming. Obodoles own is. Ashimono, una ngora mpona bia. Ije gi udi joma o. Ke haga ije ebe me becha. Cool down. Anuna ngora mpona bia. Ema Ishi na ebari like this. Echecha gi agi Igbo ya ne. Ya be geku ya ba. Nwere sometimes ga kuji aka. Ema short target ke jigi ka target ga ya. Ishi na ebari ba. Ya echecha gi gide ya ne. Mosquito na ebari geku ba ga kwọ ntị gị. Tata. Echecha gi gide. Ya ma aba. O ma short trap ke set ga ya. Ashim gida don't waste time. Ashim gi cool down. Ashim mmiri ezo ha for ye eje ofo ọzọ. At nkere ma dola gị nkere gbara otu afọ naanị 1 million eji asatụ ya. Nkere gbara otu afọ kwena onye ara na street Asaba ahụ for years. Ishi gidere ya nye ya ọgwụ naanị one day ka a ga-asapụ ya mkpa akpịrị niile ahụ nọ ya ahụ. We do the Yagishi. Wow! You look so good. That one day came in and asked Satoria and train Hashimgi cool on the town. Nearly night kuru. I gave me a chance. Will take 6-7 years. I gave me a chance. Yeah.
You should go and arrest Banana.
Don't worry. Worry about your own man.
Your mama knows the Ashawo.
Okay. Unu nanga yana akpọ mako ashawo. Right? Unu nanga yana akpọ mako ashawo. Unu niile ndị na support ya. Nne nnu wapuna. Manu wapuna. Nne nnu wapuna. Unu niile ndị na support utela. Right? Unu nanga na kuri aka. Ugwaka that itebe. Itebe o di Jpac chọrọ ebe ahụ okporo Jpac. O di ka owo na video ka. Because on a Ijele that place okporo that anụ ọhịa ahụ. On a Ijele na that video. Okay, what do you call this one? What do you call this one? Yes. Get this video. What do you call this one? What do you call it? Get the video. Because share the video. Get no ya. Get no ya. Jamana who take a Jpac snitch. Listen to this video. Because click love and share. Share the program. Click love. Share. Hey, but I'm a woman every day. Saga, you never see Saga Ebidobi. Oh, the long Nagan and Kayam, you're not told, right? Who the Lagana long gun none and your phone, Hannah watch him, and I watch him. Money many increase of dialysis or gaga. Money many increase of dialysis or gaga. Share click love. Eh, 70 I'm or negino. And she would negam or ya. So what? So what? Look at the year. Anga ko bro Jpac get no to get no video. Me na so wo tan. To the land Jpac and them obu changa na me face is okay.
I salute you, ground rising.
You don't need to know the kind of woman. Also, what kind of woman I am? Woman in nigga gawu. Woman woman nigga gawu. Woman one lua gawu. I am extraordinary. You get with the onye de kam. Woman na piuna pampuramu. Woman na do like this in check you. And when him ga pata. Oh onye na gawulia. Click love, share. Suppress this their report. All share na love clicking. Recommend there here. Now share everywhere. Comment it to support where. Dala. Get the video.
I beg the good thing we could do for me now to tag Zion Church here. First.
Okay. Oh, video.
First tag in the Zion. They don't go bring out their Mumu tank cry at Jpac.
On this video.
Run damage control.
Get into
for this one. Jpac will know the shame.
Okay.
Mugu.
Okay.
Woman lock you up, you get mouth.
Okay.
When they say, oh, I thank Governor
Okay. The video where they find I don't see am. The video where they find I don't see am. Not this time around oh this thing in Jaka. My this thing about hey, the video they find them I don't see am. The video where they find I don't see am. I buy the one that said it. The video where the loop I don't see am. Get refresh. Get refresh. No stretch mark. No stretch mark. Want the video where they find I don't see am. Share the video. Look where they go.
Senator. Say you thank your fellow man for saving you from a woman.
Okay.
Okay, because on announce I no go do video yesterday.
Click love and share. Love, share. Love, share.
Oh, because last time I no go do video yesterday. I been at the one where go knock small pikin.
Hey. Share the video, be good. The video where they find I don't see him. Share video, be kind of report ya. Click love and share. Hey, na me talk am. Sana are go maki me kamburu. Amu akuru na na. Amu akuru na na ji something e ku asho ma jupu. Ana e ku asho ma na me talk am. Share happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you? How old are you now? Share the video. Look at that. Share this video. The video I've been looking for. Now because I knew that video. This one settled the matter. Look at the click. Okay.
Ucho, if to say our court system no corrupt, now please you suppose they now.
Asowanji na wa president o. Asowaje na wa president o. Asowaje. Imana get up to this thing let refresh people's brain. People's brain should be activated. Arwaro. Asowanji. Think. Our president and you Asowaji. Akwaya chigani. Click love and share. Let us celebrate our brother's birthday. That is what we are doing here.
Now please you suppose they.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Is it paying? Thank you. Now prison. The also supposed to.
Okay. Okay.
Risa Danilo, thank you for.
Okay.
I said that Zion, please.
Okay.
The Zion be prayer minister.
Okay.
Ndi Igbo
Okay.
Okay.
Click love and like and share the program.
No.
You can go to my account. And when I go to my account.
I see you. His rental an amount, not more than 10K.
You go to my account.
We're talking at one buy.
No.
I go there where they talk to whom now. Go press something else for my shit.
I want him to show no clue about Jpac here. Chere?
When you show up that shit, any thief will come from anywhere. Their customer, this one. Yes.
Click love and share. Down on my page. Facebook will disregard any reports.
See how go be on now since when I no get shame. Since when I no get shame.
Disregard any report.
Not the 10K be this one.
I'm not thinking thank you. Me when he got account. So here now.
I bet. Make I go use another machine.
You go on account.
My sister, they look well. I they pick money for you. I they look well. Ndi Igbo. Abamu accusations.
Okay. Okay.
Zion be agere Zion. You don't bring your own kitty in again. Anu mpama.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you're not one mpama now.
Okay, have no body Ghana.
Okay.
nobody gonna try it. Because you try you couldn't make it from my hand, I go scatter them.
Ah? Did I hear? If you try ipunegi udela, nigga scatter ipunegi. It's scatter pamni ipunegi. Did I hear? O kahane buanketa. In Reboshi, I could brazo your mapem. Kohan togo dogu, Iwo dogu. Iwo dogu, carry your dogu. Ewu. Ewu occasion what you begin a loyal talent. You put it on it, man. Click love and share this program. Hana report and my hotel. Because click now share. Look at the here.
Use you couldn't make it come to me. I go scatter.
Okay. Onanania. Iya kudela potrashini how AI. Mbe George Joga, are you these people? Are you these persons in this video? Yashimbana no AI. I should go okay. I want the forensic files. I want the professionals. I want the I get testimony with your AI more AI. Are you among that will deny yourselves very soon? Would you deny your way? If you are ready to deny yourself, because of the Rugi. With the latter who AI.
Yes. Make I give you.
Tema opinion down 1-on-1. The account to hide. Come on, get out of here. You are not worthy to be here. Get out.
Nura, I see you. Alex Ogua.
Click love and share. And I'm
bingo. Eto puru ha ni erifo. Ana won ya ni akidisa yo. Tini kunege ba kan ko ya jaja.
Okay. Ibu negi na ko skatala.
50k.
Aku ibu nega skatala.
No, I dey charge my sister. They charge, no problem.
Ibu nu de la skatala ko skatabe. Ibu nu de la skatala na o skatabe.
Rape small pikin. Where them come out? Ex-convicts.
Get on to.
Ex-convicts, no, they give me excuse to say, oh, you didn't go to jail. That's the technicality. They carry you go prison, they can't not carry you, they not remand you.
In Anuya?
You don't do anything, they remand you.
In Anuya?
You go bring the document. Where pertain to that thing, come show me. Why you never show me since then? Anum Pama. In this island, here are they move. In that, I hear that, when I know the shape. See people who are they use work. Ogechi Okeke and that woman. Jpac. Papa's where woman carry people for prison. Go they come all time and make the help her. Shame no they catch you. You get mad they talk. Oh, that they like contact. You get jail. I don't come. They keep you there how many days? And the also governor getting one. Governor Rome has it. If your mama Toto no scatter, if you don't call that your police, your mama Toto go the scatter every day. I go the type up. Yes, I go talk about AJ and Francis. If your mama Toto no scatter, I go the call your mama Toto until you go scatter. See who say you go do waiting. Oko where I and the one finish. Even with Jpac, no be you call me. Say make I help Jpac. No be you call me. I mean my voice note with you no day. Even my voice note with Jpac, he day. Make I come the plan now.
Inania. Unanania. Even my voice note with Jpac day. You see, not be today where Jpac don't they work with today. Imagine Jpac here. I don't know through videos because I'm this case will never. In that case here can never expire in my hand. Case here, I get me expire in my hand. You know, Jpac. You know that that who today can you wanna with today la. Guys, share this video, click love and like, share this video, please. Now report Facebook, we are just celebrating brothers. That's how we talk in Africa. We have a loud voice when we are talking. Both our body language show. It's not fight. We are not fighting. This is how we celebrate people. That is how we celebrate them. Click love and like and share this program. Anama Jugo. Anama Jugi. Shio. Gini ka gini udela mega. Emega pata udela meneke. Why ni na aga azu? Gina ya na aruko. Did you get the video I've been looking for with the gomia? I'm a post video on my wall. Guys, if you can click love and like, please. Please. Ndanye got report of no reason. I don't even know why they are reporting my video. We don't support violence on this Blue app. We do not support it. We are only celebrating, telling people how good Ogechi is, telling people how wonderful Attire is, telling people how wonderful Ebukobi is, and telling people that now you see that who today can Jpac and what we today la. You man Jpac wo only get kisigi raginye Jpac wo hamusu. It's all about he genye ya. Genye hunya Jpac will betray you. Nanya gi krokoranya gi na emegi ye betray gi. What you get emegi? Who is this? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello? Kwe? Okay. They hear you, they talk.
If I don't love you, okay. Chai, now who I go love?
Why you don't get why?
That's Chukuge debe.
Amen. Lie. Na nemo ga kuna the truth side. And I'm so crowd.
Make up way 2016. This man this guy back to that boy.
Amen.
And God kidnap again with this boy.
He said, amen.
How much in kitty? Because
also China had there.
all these stupid people just turn on budget to this food.
He said,
before the court get damage 100 times.
So well, I beg you, at a point, these people want to give shall I lie? I get GT shimmy, happy doesn't know who and they'll come for them later.
Yeah, that's every day now, but I'm an buying it for you so quick. People
Eddie have very well.
Hey, Eddie, to buy these people so forget so easily.
Yes.
Like this Jpac was not going to also.
A bit of them, I'm coming. Jpac. You get one at a piece, or to get one year, you put my father's picture. What I get do like this now about the war? Guinea? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got the good man. I came up like Edgy. I came edgy now, like edgy before that. on your I got to go to my pray.
Hey, fat. Yeah, kuna hamaya because in the by the daft. Na hamaya nature 3 high, nature 3 has state.
Those one. Those one.
I look at the book put out this guy. Get the can I see you walking near bed.
Which Igbo?
Not the canal there 3 years.
Yana Shebu, I'm a play no video. Now me play video Shebu Nanden. I go play.
Okay, come up with that's the animal here. See, as Mama or that, I didn't say I get you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. What all remind you, I'm can play video with the last Shebu. Na waiting na get bunand. Chere? In my own chefu. I won't work a banana. Okay, better video no. I won't work on. In my hand chefu say so. In my head chefu. They easily forget. Preni ha no n'ime akpa amu ha n'ime akpa ikpu ha. Ha chefuo like this and you na-echetara. Get better video no please. Oh this one no. This one. Yeah, I'm going video on my WhatsApp today right now. Sorry. Ai ha na-eme. Be mere me he chefuola. Keke o mataya so ushi na ama. Sorry. Amusu. Ekwensu abono. Give that video no self. You know na my phone nka. Oh ha me he chefu. Me he chefu mba. Ogechi ga ono chena ono ge me intimidate. Ooh. Onye locho do mmiri asị ya lakpu. Chere, anọrọ m odalisa kwa think I even be put you. Anọrọ m that enwere nde that nwoke that could not get that couldn't achieve COS. Ha gawa to their own another man. A very dark man ko wetere ha na ha pụtara na ekwu okwu. Kehe ji wuru nwoke when you came out to come and cater for even the justice you're looking for Mary, you couldn't get it for Mary. Now Mary na onye Ijele. Mary na ire megbu. Share you walk am Mary. I hear war. What they call me? I don't like to call my name a video because him they put him too much in order. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, in on a speaker. Hello. Go ahead.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry. If you are close to accusation, please tell him to stay away. I saw there's a post that guy is even adding him to people that might be his best man.
Oh, you mean ex-convicts?
No. Anywhere belly face.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you have seen the post.
No.
He's saying either accusation or Mukede.
Oh, no, on a man jacket. On a man jacket. Yeah, I won't jacket.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't jacket, my brother. Yeah, I will just get cruise online. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for your concern anyway. Thank you. Yeah, when you're na hotel or there, come on, get out of here. When you're draw, nobody. Oh, musika. Chere, me play that video to refresh memories. Chere, I know that video was sent to me yesterday. Chere, damsu. Yeah, I just wanna catch grooves. I'm video on this morning. And they played it in Yesterday, I'm not going. Because now share no click love because I'm poor line and I'm on the video. Okay, I'll go me. Let me save way in case next time, children. Let me save way, so I will not be looking for it next time. Get on to watch channel. Click love and like and I report page.
Now they can me I go buy by no killing man to make I die. Now federal government they think to me I for not killing man by now. If I know club now.
Click love and share love.
I swear on the earth I'm out of phone. I for don't kill now the time now. If they leave now, they can me, I go buy by no killing man to make I die. Now, federal government they think to me, I for not killing man by now. If I know club now, make all my children die before my eyes. I swear on the earth I'm out of
share, click love.
Now the time back. If they leave now, they can me, I go buy by no killing man to make I die. Now, federal government they think to me, I for not killing man by now. If I know club now, make all my children die before my eyes. I swear on the earth I'm out of phone. I for don't kill me now the time back.
No. Now, come Ghana video where Belle Face made. Let me go to where Belle Face make video. Hold on. But then I might buy him when he buy. Sure? Make a listen.
Actually, my appeal. Appeal some people are my like.
The same annual here ET that went and asked Udela. Kobia defend the ayambaya yanandona by a war. The same yane enyawoke Udela. According to Dela told us no ex-convicts. No na go match, hakana na match. Kahabia defend the aya. Agora don't know name. He will go impulse to impulse looking for people to come and defend him. Onya. Amwe shikwa yike. Amuna kuya kwa. Igide yami ana ma. But onya. Iona enwe hu the plan e wotebe ka eji wepu osu ana Udela. Enwe hu the plan o wotebe. But I got pretend ya. Ana ma to plan in that wote kwa number. What about if we ya wuru ma suggest those plan iwe gena. Gina mezie. Ya wuru na ebuko bia wo nwa Chineke. Akwenwe hu the spirit of God. But awuru mu wonye jia aga me egbu ya agopweme Udela. Plan ahi wotege di okay to me. But you man didn't surprise why it is now Barisina. Egeba. Rufuebe Kameba water muge Kebaga water yaka. Stay one place. Y'all my ideas in that he would take. I like Remia. But I can't show ya. Ebukobia show ya. No more. I love it. Because that's what me henge Udela. Or they because damage Udela that Udela has made in this life is better than that's a huge equipment would be cheap. Huge equipment are costly enough. Because so many expensive damage will destroy like many lives. So one the reason in Gashi, I can't want any of my enemy now. And when anything got the expensive for me to permit the person. For what? You came out, Ndi Igbo, and as you get him. Obu manondonago nelowa o. Obu manondonago nelowa. Obu manondonago. Obu nage. Wale choro dance. Dala. Abene pretending. Well, you know she. Oh my God! I love romance. Not the can. Time machine on. Not woman nash. Otumpuru love, nwekwa ke nnu nwere. Nwekwa ke nnu nwere. Nnamdi Kanu is nowhere to be found. Don't him to shake. Nda wo wo ka mu mmiri. And I have to change nde denounce guy pop now. You can't stand the test of time. Really? And don't get you poku get poku. You can't stand the test. I go to my hona chuga. Oh, you know na struggle. Survivor of the fittest. Survivor of the fittest. Look at listen to
some people are like here. Look at.
Look at. Look at.
Yes.
I'm not give Piero. Hey. I'm on one working. That doctor on you working. I'm not getting a beer, drinking, piagi, biegu 7 days. I'm walking working. I'm okay. That one working like this. The way they look you.
Yes, Omenala, Omenencha, Omenala abomination, O criticize it. Omen here at the hair, baby. Man, over in the banner, the little son, Namadi, see what I grieve, CCA, or whatever I
if it's if you don't make sense. People that even follow you and listen to you, I don't see nothing that comes out of you that makes sense. When you never want a sense. Look at which so ndeka ha kuru ihe luzuru their lives nko. Mazi na ndeka na ochi lo choro ko nko. Okwagi kwa the same person e potara ni na enwe kata agbaharata nwoke a na ochi na ndeka no. That means you ewite. Anna, this is the man, the bride and man, onion. Look at them. Oh yeah. Onye gara akuguri ya wazuga make a peace. Onya, this man. Wazuga make a peace. Naniga no ni huaga. Nani huaga oku onye gina ya kurora chumuo. This guy yana po Jpac. This guy yana po Jpac. Oh. Makachi iwuro yi Jpac were ntogi keshia na ba any day na aka because shishia nyoro onya okwe me na ge onwekwa he wu epo no very local we di he na me ana majugi ke ihe na ekwu na ke in fact ka na ege go di
Abu na habu udele ebe ahụ nwụọ obu ka na ekwu udele Noreba and Ebona Bari go with a bad condition.
Look at our here.
Who's here now to involved? But before then, I feel like I'm not Yondoka.
Who's involved for one or put up Mugi or Wogene or the Locandem no longer. How many people now every day not Ufuhana who the Lamoya? You actually whoever killed by the sword will die by the sword. What are you saying? And you are more dangerous than me that talking now. Can't get the truth. Because he gave me, I got my bag a piece of chum. Take a one year bush at choke. He more bloody than me. You want to go? Give me, he got my piece of chum. Take a one year bush at choke. Only can you choke a shot so go buya. Kemiga me bem stand. You know where I stand. You know where. Look at you. The good thing I saw on. I saw Tarion. I saw keep Liamo where. The only time in game with peace. No kata no talk. I said they match me. I can't the mark them occupy. Like now very soon I'll be going to work. Chireme way my own thing. Run my big time. Kega matter that my father's picture you post na 2019. That picture. I never start with you. I'm able to tell people with facts. People with facts. People are not area. I'm a very smart human being. That is why any namona give me I recorded you because I'm name when target on your head. You can't hurt me and pretend like all is well. We all run blood and water runs in our vein.
Onye obana ka ji udele do, obuna udele emi ti wuhu, bare condition. Edoro m anya na onye obana ji eni nwere power kwa. Ime call on do live sia. Happen onye a.
Iti. The man me onye arrest. Me onye arrest. We were in conference call. Akpo onye. Ya gbagi e akpotipala don't call Ifanyo but onye Bishop Azobor. Bishop Azobor actually Bishop Azobor had made it clear. I'm not this kind of a lifestyle. And we pay this Tiana Hetinaka. Next time I get Ufuki me because your contact is already dead. The last one. If I know Bamere gig the last one. Next time I get Jirigiti, I get Jigimogri, Eliegi, get shift one Ishi. Because I Ure Para would just say shift wogan Ishi. Alalanganya, Gababas Pasaka, Gabasaki with no contact, even in how we play. You can't even play the role very well. I make family contact because I'm on the Madune Butego. I make family content. Mama good boy. But the Bobble didn't like a one again. Go to get oh God, the Jpac. Jesus Christ. Ega wamu onye shigi wrong my father buegu. So Iman Igbo nwere laws. Iman Igbo nwere ilulu. Iman Igbo nwere ihe na-atọ here egbu na ge elie n'ishi. You that is also an Igbo tradition manali uwali Igbo gapa ozun na menwanwu ji abekwa musaka ka mo akuo mu if I hapuna gi in peace ma no wo Ogechi onu ma gi na room no akpokpo mu na gi ga ele ife. Look at you, people be na koinyo, people be na koinyo, people na ko inyo ka people na ko rubbish. Dara. But people get make it, they no go remember. You see, when you start recalculating, John Jpac mere me agedo dibu puto zoom namo. John ya mere mama onyo wu. John yebo she wete picture zoom namo. Fake sare everywhere. John Jpac.
Lose him, let him go.
Ya elusu kwa ya ashkoma babri na lebu munum ne kubu Ogechi Jpac. You get push or lose to a for sugar and be fair lose who did. The day you got no for sugar who are back. By then they lose who did. You get push or lose to a for sugar to come again. Go and work on that forget by then they lose who did. Any day they lose to this your affection, then a bell who did out. Dala. And people that will believe that you know with them. I just them look them, they cry. Guys, kanga san who gone me ruler. I will continue with this. I can download to go to this your video. Let me download it. Dala. I better because I come atropolage. Atropolage than I coinyo. Ejinda. Anytime you know kuna have I be waiting for you. You will show a bit of your journey. Enter kill like this with a keba kuma. There. With the and the food and damning anymore. On gam listing you are my problem. You are my business proposal. This thing. Nga, not this folder. On gam my problem with you no. And then you are my wife. Oh, you can make me. And at the tutorial game, how that day, the date, the time you brought up my father's picture around. I got my jogging. Me when he on your sumeni me onye zobro. Oh sorry, onye okowe onye beke ewo. I'm a jogging he kogalage na my father. Me hona yambo mampa mo rana negi. Ono choro na nama no choro okpu na banket na koyeri.
I teach you a lesson. No, but I got
on your masi why?
I may my pay and so on never by force.
On your masi why?
Because now
appeal master. Appeal master. Appeal master. Appeal master.
Remorseful heart. And that remorseful heart, yeah, being where
preach on. On your man.
Work of Holy Spirit that are already made. Man, I'm not making your job. Yes, and I'm a yes,
no man.
But that name Christian that was first called.
When I heard Jarubun, Jokola am marry Christian or this life only live now make a go here Christian ile live. Jo yashi all but about church bisaya kanishi ye claim on I were Christian few months ago mecha wonya arose. Jokola ya no Christian or Jugodiana even onyo no Omenala ndu on a beauty into Omenala person on a beauty sinto on a be anana ego betray one anana ego betray one anana ego wunna Jugodia mari Christian or so young sorry Christian or Bulaka anya uzi Christian for Christian rubbish nako you don't be that rubbish they go in a jog you're not even making sense you're talking out of sense you don't make fucking sense na koeri betray us everywhere that's why when you guys need to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Deep. Because all of them, they will disguise for this is who I am. And this is me. Oh well. We cannot allow people like this. I better deceive you, guys. Let me go. I don't want to talk, but so be it. I can survive here. Guys, let me go and take a bath. Come get ready to go to work. And then when I'm I am not jobless. I'm not jobless like in that week. I'm not that person. When I get school, when I'm calling so. Come on, I download the video game. My free time. My bear listening at you. When you plead, go and work on. Hello, you know that speaker. Okay, go ahead.
This guy. Everywhere.
Oh, you guys are waking up very late.
This guy I'm marrying on him. We anything now, eh? If we don't depend on Facebook.
That is it.
That Facebook they will not eat. Oh, because anything go na the any no na cho. Every no see every see more views on them. Don't say what you can say because Facebook did Facebook ko echara ihe n'onu. You go now ihe na agbazi ha uka ka o ma ndo otu de na ga support.
Mando Omenala o na worry na. When nowhere. Simple. Anyway, that is it. Ah. Oh, my business mindset. My brother, hold on. I would hear him with Ashimia. Jpac. You wouldn't with a single little brain in me. The kind connection in with a level of won't get carena. This guy have met people who know people that would die. Only business IQ. Only Igbo. When you're not Igbo. Actually, you don't know with a little brain in money, with the connection on money. Okarewu erima buabo, but only brain. Only brain, only common sense. Nothing can. Immaculate. In that, all this dog will promote your business. But you want no brain to start it or to earn it. You Nima wa foggy, no gachorum 200,000, no gachorum 100,000. About a rubbish lifestyle, Facebook ego.
Anyway, I'm telling you.
Very messed up.
This guy in fact, anyway,
click love and like, share. Click love and like, share. Because
business of millions of naira. I'm telling you, Just like that, that guy is going here. Yeah, but anyway, benefits. Yeah, go. Chineke mele na afu be mo dem. Anyway, udele buy na piece me 1 million naira.
Aga menye agwa my followers. Be gwa na ekpere anything udele anwuru. Aga menye 1 million instantly.
So far no chele na ndi kanu ya. Me ago me na ofo God. Dem make kan we anya na he enwe mercy. Onye obuna wo strong I feel obi amoro. Anya dey enwe
simple.
Anya dey no forgiveness na ndi wala. We don't have forgiveness.
Not at all.
Simple. Onye ona sila na wo forgive. Onye ha IPO.
Onye awa ma mkpụrụ akwa mu achi aka ya na agbare.
The let buy there. As far as no God ya na ndi na agura ka ekwu. Enwere ebe ọ na-ebebe here. Almost all not buy a barrel. All the member one giveaway, all the member 1 million naira giveaway. So you're from that bombers.
Oh, one and again. I am my followers. That has been my prayer. And the one and ago, a lot of people have sent me inbox the same idea. One day, I got me with my and even Jpac, you are worse than me inside you when you talk. So I'm why I didn't with the idea. Now you. You would like idea give the like life. This muggle. This mock I'm million way chibezeko shiana coeri. Na guara no minasu. Men and when capacity. O carry na coya. Because I come at your email way. Ya woman again, yana puke shit by mood dela. De la carry win. I'm surprised that you made this video. I'm surprised that you made this rubbish video. Akoeri. I'm just I'm okay, I will okay. I'm one, ya one. This man say who got I'm mini. I come back again at Chadita and I make coconut. My when steady pace. Guys, on that note, follow this page, click love, follow it, they go. I'm in federal. And then they can nyosh before he had Orianeri. This down about side her week. Then we life. All this so much. At least I say Queen Kultur, ni house spirit age akwasaga and na church na saga. Ya spirit age akwasaga. Ochikulo down, which got down. Which kilo down. And I saga with seriousness matter they go. But literally got you get Kulo down again. When Enyoma shishiri ki ja church. Why can't you laugh from when I'm shishirike? Alisa, didn't even not church. Man, no nigga is weak. About take, and you get 10%. Genuine shishirike man who got you. Not I got you. Because Alisa, now what spirit I do? Come just sound become. Now what spirit I did? Go back, see you guys.